Whoo. Oh my gosh. Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. Very excited for this one. Behind me is the Conodoguinet Creek, and the last time I came here I caught 3 smallies out of here, 2 3-pounders and 1 4-pounder, so they're actually really decent. But the last time I came here, they're also finicky. So I'm hoping these fish are a little bit more active today, and we're gonna be catching some monster bass. Very excited. I'm gonna go and tie up my rod, and I'm gonna show you what lures I think are gonna be working best. All right guys, so I got the lures all set up here. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be using. So I have this guy already hooked up. It's a 6 cents swim jig. It's a spawn bluegill is the color, with a 6 cents divine paddle tail, and that is a baby bluegill color. If I'm not getting any bites on that, I'm actually going to be switching out that paddle tail, and I'm going to put on these Yum crawl bugs. I've had this for about a year and I never touched it, but looking at it, they look juicy, and I think they're just going to do the trick. I have a Z-Man original chatterbait, white color, with a paired up with the Divine's swim bait paddle tail and Clearwater rose. I wanted to use my green pumpkin color, but lost it. Brand new out of the box, and I lost it. And a couple crankbaits. I have a Strike King KVD 1.5 inch Squarebill, and a I can't remember what color this, or what the name of the color is, but it's Chartreuse with a black back. And then my favorite lure I love to use on the creek and river, and that is the Rebel Wee crawfish and a Chartreuse with an orange belly and a brown back. Absolutely hammers smallies. Very excited to use that if nothing else works. All right guys, so we're gonna get out there now. Hopefully the fish are active. I'm praying to God they are, because there are some monsters in there and I want to catch them for you. So let's get ripping some lips. Alright guys, so nothing ended up working, so I actually had to go upstream to go back to the truck to get something different, and I'm going with the Ned rig. I don't know, lately I've been doing really well with the Ned rig, so I'm hoping this is what these smallies need. So we're going to get back out there, take our time, and see what we can get. I think I got one. Stay on, baby. Whew. Spiked me a little bit. Oh, there's a fish. I didn't even feel him take it. Honestly, it just felt like my line was taut, and then this guy had it, so that's definitely not the ones we're looking for, though. Probably about a pounder, if I had to guess. See you, buddy. Damn. What is going on with my jig rod today? Alright, so I know there's a spawning bed right under that tree directly in front of me, so hopefully once I cast this out, hopefully we can get her to bite. Alright guys, once again I forgot to record, and I have another dude. Ooh, he's tugging, he's pulling. Oh, he feels like a good one. Oh, please stay on. Oh my gosh, please stay on. Oh, for the love of all things holy and unholy, stay on. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh. All right. That's a good fish right there. 2 pounds maybe? 2.5? Yeah. Hold on, I have my... Well, okay, we're fighting again. Fighting again. Fighting again. There's something going on right there on their fin. That's a good smallie right there. That is a good smallie. On the Texas rig too. See you, buddy. Woo, thanks for getting these soaked. That's awesome. I'm using a Zoom 5-inch dinger. That is what's... I don't have the packaging with me. Once we get back to the truck, I'll show you what I'm using. I'm using it on a 3/0 EWG hook and with a 1/4 ounce bullet weight. I can't remember the name of the hook and the bullet weight because I've had these for a long time. I apologize. They seem to be biting when I'm dead sticking this, so that's a good sign. And I don't actually feel them biting. What's happening is I'm casting it out there, letting it sit, and then I start reeling, and all of a sudden I feel tension in my line, and then that's when I start sending the hook. Oh, I'm stuck on a rock. Oh shit. Well, I got a fish and I screwed up the I screwed up the hook set. I still have it, but I have a bird's nest underneath all of this. Oh, he's a good one. Stay on, baby, stay on. Hoo-wee. That's another good one. Oh, that's another good one right there. Oh, I love smallies. Gosh, I love the way smallies fight. I mean, they put up one hell of a fight. That's a beautiful fish too. Look at that red eye. Heck yeah. That's what I call ripping lip. All right, buddy, let's get you back in the water and get me soaked. Thank you. See you, buddy. Now I have to fix the bird's nest because I'm an idiot. At least I got that fish. I would have been more upset if I got a bird's nest and then didn't land the fish. Here I am. Was that a fish? Nope. I've also learned, I mean, it could have been, but anytime I feel like a fish bites and I miss it, like on the Texas rig, I always end up knowing if it was a fish I missed because the worm ends up looking something like that. So, or vice versa, where it's up like this and curled around the hook. So that's usually a sign that that was a fish and I missed it, but I don't think that was. What is with my bird's nest today? I mean, seriously. Let him take it. Nope, he was biting at it. Oh, he got it. Well, maybe not. Okay, well, so that's what it looks like when a fish gets it. And I totally missed him. I don't think I was patient enough. I thought he had it, but let's see if we can't get him again. Again, the bird's nest. What is up with that? Oi. Come on, baby. Oh. There we go. Stay on. Oh, he's a little one. Oh, he's just a baby. He's just a wee little guy. Well, there's the little guy. We saw a lot of those sizes in the last video. See you, buddy. So I found a dead crawdad in the water. Check this out. That's actually pretty cool. I'm curious to see what that looks like on the big screen. Oh. Got one. Whew. Another small guy. Gonna let my drag out a little bit. Come here. Another small guy. Alright, well, there's another little guy. Thank you, but not what we're looking for. Where are your parents at? I want the big guys. See you, buddy. Come on, fishy. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. Here, fishy.
Here, fishy, 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 fishy!
Alright guys, so that's actually all the time I have for this video. It's getting dark. I need to make my way downstream so I can get back to the truck. If you like this video, hit that like button, comment on my video, and hit that subscribe button for me. Also, give that little bell icon a little ring-a-ding-ding if you want to be notified anytime I release a new video. But I appreciate you guys supporting me on this channel. It means the world to me. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.